We have a question here on quadratic equation. We have that 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 equal to 0. In this video, we are going to use the method of completing the squares. And this is one method that almost every student doesn't like, including myself. Alright, we have the expression here. A few steps is required, and the first step is for us to transfer this negative 5 to this side so that this 0 will be eliminated. So we have 2x squared minus 3x equal to 5. Next, we are going to divide all through by the coefficient of x squared. So when you have 2x squared, divide by 2, the 2 will simply strike out 2, and you have left here x squared. Then minus 3x divided by 2 equal to 5 divided by what? 2. Now pay attention to this. This is where the issue is coming from. We are going to add the square of half of this coefficient to the left hand side and also to the right hand side. So now let us determine how to get half of that coefficient. We have the coefficient as 3 over 2. Half of it simply means we are dividing it by 2. So we say divide by what? 2. Of course, 2 over 1. Here we now have 3 over 2. We change this to multiplication so that we have 1 over 2. Here 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4. Therefore, half of 3 over 2 is 3 over 4. So we are going to determine the square. Take the square of this term and then add it to both sides. But remember that here we have negative sign. We now have x squared minus 3 over 2x. We are not going to add this value to it now. Plus, in bracket, negative 3 over 4 square. So what have we done? We have added the square of half of the coefficient of x to the left hand side. Okay, we are going to do the same thing to the right hand side so that we have 5 over 2 plus, in brackets, negative 3 over 4 square. Next, we are going to bring together these two terms that have squares so that we have it as x minus 3 over 4 in bracket, we put square. So what did we do? Since both of them have squares, we have to bring them together, put in brackets, and represent them with one square. Equal to, here we have 5 over 2. The square of negative 3 is 9. And the square of 4 is 16. So we'll continue. Here will give us the LCM here is 16. 16 divided by this 2 is 8. 8 multiplied 5 is 40. Then 16 divided by 16 is 1. 1 multiplied 9 is 9. Then again we have here 40 plus 9 is 49. All over what? 16. At this point, this exponent crosses over this way to come and form square root over the terms at the right hand side. So that we have it as x minus 3 over 4 equal to plus or minus the square root of 49 over 16. When you have a square root, you put plus or minus. The square root of 49 and the square root of 16, we have 7 and 4. So this is x minus 3 over 4 equal to plus or minus 7 over what? 4. At this point, we are looking for x. We are going to transfer negative 3 over 4 to the right hand side. So we have x equal to plus or minus 7 over 4 plus 3 over 4. Upon crossing, that sign changes to plus. Let's first go with the plus sign. So we have 7 over 4 plus 3 over 4. Or we go with the negative sign now. Negative 7 over 4 plus 3 over 4. Here, x is equal to the LCM here is 4. So we have 4 all over. Then we have 7 plus 3. That gives us 10. Or, similarly, the LCM here is 4 all over. Negative 7 plus 3 gives us negative what? 4. And by the time you divide this, we have x to be equal to 2 whole number 1 over 2. Because when 2 go into 4, we have 2. 2 go into 10, we have 5. And 5 divided by 2 is 2 and a half. Or, negative 4 divided by 4 gives us negative what? 1. So these are the two values of x that satisfy the equation. Thank you very much for watching.